Alright, so we're going to start this over one more time.
Is it already dark out there?
Not yet. Not quite. Where'd my controller go?
I hate this daylight savings time. Yeah, it'll be dark in fucking 25 minutes.
Okay. I think we ended up switching controllers.
Oops.
Alright, here we go.
Whoa. Didn't touch it hard. Oops.
But yeah, we both mashed into each other over there.
That's a bad spot right there.
Yep.
Hopefully that's the right.
Yeah, you have to control your speed.
Wrong lane again.
No, you're not getting down the slot. There you go.
Look.
You have to get it down in the slot. That little, there you go. Yeah, if you push them backwards, it might screw up that those little contacts.
There you go.
There you go. Hit it.
God damn it. I hate that curve.
Yeah, you don't want to hit the turbo through there.
Little bitch.
Just come around over here. No, get over there by me.
Where did you go? Oh, okay.
There you go.
There you go.
Alright, now you got it.
You bleep. Why?
Son of a gun!
I didn't even turbo it.
Yeah, these cars go pretty fast. You have to come off the regular throttle in some instances. Hit it!
Huh.
Son of a gun!
Man.
Alright, well, I don't know what's going on with you. There you go. Hit it!
So does it start recounting when you crashes or?
No, it just does its thing. You keep going.
Huh. You see that?
I didn't. I was looking at my car.
Just like ploop. Wrong track.
Alright, come on. Got 7 laps left. Make it count. Now you got it.
Whoops.
Yeah, you can only punch it very, very gently during that. You hear me? I'm just kind of pumping it. So I get to there and, well.
Oh, an airborne.
Oh, I wish the camera could have caught that.
Man.
Yeah, you went off.
This is selfish. Did you see that car that went flying like that at the border, Canadian border?
No.
You didn't hear about that? Dude, it was like a big.
You gotta finish about 4 laps. Hurry.
It's a white SUV.
Before the camera runs off.
And it looked like it was like going about 80 or 90, and it just went airborne and exploded on the contact. Look it up, man.
Oh, I see what's down
Yeah, you gotta look that shit up, dude. It's pretty crazy.
Alright, we got 2 laps left. Make me count.
Are you sure?
Come on, drive it right.
Oh! Man, these wipe out like more intensely than the other ones.
Oh, of course. They're light and fast. You gotta hang in there with them.
Yeah, this takes some skill with these.
But this is just one step up before we get to the next round of cars.
Oh.
Well, that was my fault.
You sank my battleship.
Yeah. Alright, we're down to the last lap. Uh-oh, I think something's wrong. I'm on the wrong track. Whoa.
Oh, yeah, I was on the wrong track.
All right, what an ending. Photo finish.
Yeah, Rory Gallagher photo finish.